Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the first episode of Morning Chai and Ikigai. This is your podcast host Priyanka. So today's episode is going to be about the story behind the name. Why I chose the name Morning Chai and Ikigai for my podcast? Well, those who know me will know how much I loathe being put in boxes. I find it utterly restricting, stifling, and above all, I find it curbing to my freedom of expression. And freedom of expression means everything to me. So when the podcast app asked me to select one particular genre for the pod, I was stumped. I in no way wanted my pod to be restricted to just one solitary theme. In fact, I wanted it to have a free reign on a diverse set of topics. I wanted to have, in fact, the freedom to talk about anything and everything that was needed to be spoken about, or was already making a difference and needed to be spoken about. So when it was time to select a name, I wanted to choose one that would be representative of this quality of mine. I remember I was sitting with my cup of tea in hand and brainstorming on ideas to cushion my pod with. And I remember being so utterly frustrated at one point because none of the names that my mind was suggesting was befitting enough. I found none of them. I found each name lacking in some way or the other. None of them depicted the versatility that I was looking for in a name. And at that point, I was reading this wonderful book. All you bibliophiles listening, you all have to make a note of this book. This is a recommendation from my side. And it's a wonderful book about the Japanese theory of Ikigai. It's titled The Ikigai. It's written by Hector Garcia and Francis Morales. And I was reading this book and I remember being heavily influenced by it at that point. And while I was brainstorming, this book was lying quietly in one corner of my table. So I was brainstorming for ideas and getting frustrated, and I happened to pass a cursory glance to the side table, and there was the book lying silently. And one glance at that half-open book on my table, and my brain at the risk of being dramatic, at the risk of sounding dramatic, in fact, my brain did a quick somersault. There was some kind of connection. The tea from my hand almost splashed out, and it was as if all my neurons made a special kind of connection and made it obvious to me that there couldn't be a better choice than this. I immediately connected. Yeah, I told you I told you I would be sounding dramatic, but there it was. The name flashed in my mind, and I knew that this was it. I had combined the element in my hand with the element on the desk, and the name was right there in front of me. It was Morning Chai and Ikigai. So for the uninitiated, a chai, I'm sure every Indian will be acquainted with this boiled beverage, boiled sweet, extra sweet beverage that is available in every nook and corner in India, and it provides respite and relief to many of weary travelers on hot summer afternoons and winter evenings. That is chai. And for the uninitiated, Ikigai is the Japanese technique we spoke about, and that is loosely translated as the reason for being. So the Japanese believe that Ikigai is something that is needed to live a long, healthy and a happy life. So they believe that people should pursue this Ikigai, or the inner calling, or a passion of sorts. It's the reason for being. It's the focus of their passion. So they believe that the secret of their longevity and their happiness lies in pursuing the Ikigai, which results in a wholesome existence, a wholesome life. So to me, the combination of the two, chai and Ikigai, was the perfect amalgamation for the name of my pod. Chai to me was representative of the mundane, and Ikigai was representative of the intense, of the intricate, of the exquisite. So so that is how the pod was Christian, and that is the story. And so for those who are interested in subscribing to my podcast and in listening to the future episodes, which I really hope you will be interested in listening to, for them, let me tell you that Morning Chai and Ikigai is going to be a bi-weekly podcast. That means fresh episodes will be churned out every Thursday and Sunday. And the topics that I will be discussing are going to be free reign, like I told you before. They're going to be ranging from the latest internet trends and sensations to entertainment topics like movie reviews and topics that qualify as hot gossip over chai, to more intense, thought-provoking topics on literature, poetry, on health, on well-being, on news, even politics maybe. Also, being a writer, I'll occasionally share works of short fiction and poetry written by me and authors that have inspired, motivated, and encouraged me to write. So basically, it's going to be a one pod for all kind of a situation, a free thinking space maybe, but hopefully it's going to be a conducive environment for all of us to stay informed, to introspect, and also to stay entertained. So for all of you who want to connect with me apart from the podcast, I would love to know you all on Instagram and Twitter. I go by the handle Dr. Priyanka Naik. I am also there on Facebook, and I blog at drpriyankanaik.com. So until next time, that is Thursday, I'll take your leave for now. This is your podcast host Priyanka signing off. Bye bye.